Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to learn why fuzzy logic is used and the fuzzy logic system architecture. We have already seen that what is fuzzy logic and how we are implementing that fuzzy logic. If you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch the previous videos and please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications. Thank you friends. Next is fuzzy logic. Why fuzzy logic is used? Fuzzy logic is very useful for commercial and the practical purposes. It can control the machines, the consumer products. It may not give the accurate reasoning, but it's acceptable reasoning. Yes, it's the most important point that in the fuzzy logic, what we have certainly yes, certainly no, possibly yes, possibly no, cannot say. This type of the fuzzy logics we have. So in that the values may lie in between the yes and no. So decision making possibility may range between the yes and no. So in this, they doesn't give us the accurate reasoning, but yes, they will give us the acceptable reasoning. Fuzzy logic will help us to deal with the uncertainty in the engineering also. This is also the very important point. Next is fuzzy logic system architecture. That how the fuzzy logic system architecture is formed. It has four main parts. It has four main parts. First one is the fuzzification module. What is fuzzification module? It transforms the system inputs, which are the crisp numbers, into the fuzzy sets. So it will take the inputs in the form of the crisp numbers, and it will convert it into the fuzzy sets, as it name clears the fuzzification module. So it means it will convert your crisp inputs to the fuzzy sets, and it splits that single input signal to the 5 steps. How it will splits that input signal into 5 steps we will study. First one is the LP. LP is the large positive. X is large positive. MP means X is medium positive. S means X is small. MN is X is medium negative. LN is the X is large negative. So first one is the knowledge base. Knowledge base stores the if-then rules provided by the experts. So the rules which are provided by the experts in the form of the if and then, so these are stored in the knowledge base. We have already seen that what is knowledge base in the detail. So if you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch it. Next is inference engine. It simulates the human reasoning process by making the fuzzy inferences on the inputs and if-then rules. So in the inference engine, it will deduce the new rules, deduce the new information, and store that information in the knowledge base if it is not already present in the knowledge base. So it will update that knowledge base continuously. So it simulates the human reasoning process by making the fuzzy inferences. In this, we are making the fuzzy inferences on the inputs and using the if-then rules. Next is the defuzzification module. Defuzzification module, as its name clears, that it makes our fuzzy sets into the crisp inputs. So it transforms the fuzzy sets obtained by the inferences engines into the crisp values. So this is the diagram. You can see here we have the crisp input. It will go as an input to the fuzzifier. Then fuzzifier will convert it into the fuzzy input sets. Then defuzzifier is used for which will take this fuzzy output sets and it will convert it into the crisp outputs. But in between it, there is the rule and intelligence. So these rules and this intelligence, these rules are the knowledge base. Knowledge base because it stores the information in the if-then rules, and intelligence is there, which is showing the inference engine because it is concluding something, including the new information from using that knowledge base. So that is the complete working. The crisp input goes to this fuzzifier. It will convert into the fuzzy input sets. Then from the knowledge base, the inference engine will take the rules. Inference engine will take the if-then rules and it will deduce the new information. Then it will go as an fuzzy output set to the defuzzifier. Then defuzzifier will give the output as a crisp output. So this membership functions will work on the fuzzy sets of the variables. So we will study the membership function in the next video. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.